Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this delicious vegetable dum biryani. Super easy to make, very quick and very simple recipe. You can put them together in no time. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. That way you don't miss on upcoming videos. Let's get started with this vegetable dum biryani. In a bowl, I'm adding half a cup of yogurt, thick yogurt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, quarter teaspoon garam masala, quarter teaspoon cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon biryani or tandori masala, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Now go ahead and mix them well until it's well incorporated. And to this we are going to add a couple of vegetables. Now here I have 3 to 4 green chilies. You can add more or less. Half a cup cauliflower florets, half a cup green beans, roughly chopped, not too small, not too thick. Half a cup green pea pod and the green peas combined together. If you don't have a pea pods, you can just add the green peas frozen. 1 large carrot that is cut into small pieces. 1 medium potato cubed. Here I have 2 large tomatoes, cut them into small size pieces. Quarter cup of each mint and cilantro leaves. 1 medium onion that is sliced thinly. Here I have quarter cup of fried onions that I'm going to add to this, and go ahead and mix them well until it's all well combined. Just go ahead and use your hand so that way every vegetable gets nice masala. Go ahead and marinate for 30 minutes. In a large pot I'm adding 1 tablespoon ghee. To this I'm adding 2 bay leaves and 1 inch cinnamon stick and 1 teaspoon kala jeera or black cumin. If you don't have black cumin, just add the regular cumin. Saute this until nice aroma releases from the masala. Go ahead and add the vegetable mix that we prepared earlier and marinated. Mix well, and we are cooking this on a medium heat. Now once it is mixed well, go ahead and add salt as needed, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now go ahead and mix them well and cover this and cook for 20 or 25 minutes until the vegetable is nicely cooked through. You don't want it to be too mushy, you just want to be just cooked through. Now meanwhile I'm going to cook this rice. Salt in a boiling water and 1 teaspoon rose water just for the flavor. Now go ahead and cook 2 cups of soaked rice for, I actually soaked this rice for 10 minutes. So go ahead and cook this until the rice is cooked through 90%, and the other 10% we are going to cook on dum. Now I'm going to check on the vegetables. The vegetable looks nice and good. It is not overly cooked, it is just cooked right, and I want to make sure there is no much of a liquid, just leaving little bit of liquid. I'm going to transfer half of the vegetable mix into a bowl, and then other half I'm going to just leave it on the same pot. Now I'm going to just transfer the half of the rice that I drained earlier, and I'm going to even the rice on the vegetable mix, and then I'm going to add some fried onions, some mint leaves, and if you like some cilantro as well. And now I'm going to do this with the second layer of vegetable and the second layer of rice as well, and continue to repeat the same process. We are going to add some fried onions, mint leaves, and some cilantro. To this I'm also going to add some saffron. If you like to add saffron, you can add saffron, but I'm going to just add some rose water, just 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon ghee, and some garam masala. Just add a little bit, like quarter teaspoon of garam masala should be fine, or the biryani masala. Go ahead and cover this and cook for 20 minutes on dum. If you need to add the kitchen towel, go ahead and add that. Make sure there is no air releases. Now once it is done, you can serve this with simple raita, and it's ready to be served hot. It's super easy, super delicious. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe below. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys, bye.